Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to reverse out of a parking spot. In this video driving lesson, I'll be outlining the basics for reversing out of a parking spot. Now obviously, in order to reverse out of a parking spot, you have to be parked forwards in that parking spot. So right now I'm parked forwards in this spot and I'm going to reverse out. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously put your seatbelt on and make sure that you're ready to go. Now what I always recommend is that you put your signal on first. This way you let all of the pedestrians and other drivers around you know that you plan on reversing to that direction. Now, to make it simple, you're going to put your signal on in the same direction that you're going to be turning your steering wheel. So if I'm turning my steering wheel to the left when I'm reversing out of the spot, I'm going to put my left signal on. If I'm going to be, reversing to the right, meaning if I'm turning my steering wheel to the right, I'm going to put my right signal on. So let's say I wanted to reverse to the left. I would be turning my steering wheel to the left. I'm going to put my left signal on. I am now going to put my vehicle in reverse and I'm going to make sure that the parking brake is off and I'm holding my foot down on the brake. I'm not actually going anywhere yet. And I'll tell you why it's important to just stay in reverse with those reverse lights on for just a few moments, okay? What happens is when people see those reverse lights on, they know that you plan on reversing. So what they can do is they can start to get out of the way or start to just move out of your direction because they see that your signal is on and your reverse lights are on. Now what you want to do at this point is you want to use this opportunity to check all of your mirrors. So your rear view mirror, your right side mirror, your left side mirror. Then look all around the car. Look behind your car, out the rear windshield, the right side of your car, the left side of your car, and all around the front. You want to basically do a complete scan of all around your car. When it is safe to proceed, that's when you want to start reversing. So right now you just want to ease off the brake, okay? You're not going to be reversing, pressing the gas pedal. You want to reverse the car slowly, so just ease off the brake pedal. Right now my foot's on the brake pedal. I'm just going to release it and I'm moving back slowly, and as I reverse back, I'm continually scanning. I'm continuing to scan. So check this out. I'm going to release the brake pedal slowly. My signal's on. I'm continuing to scan. Now I'm starting to turn my wheel a little bit to the left because like I said, I'm going to be reversing to the left. So I'm turning my wheel about 25% of a whole turn, about a quarter of a turn, okay? And I'm going to continue reversing while scanning. The reason that you don't turn your wheel all the way is because when you're reversing and your wheel is turned, your front end of your car will swing out. The more that your wheel is turned, the more that the front end of the car is going to swing out. If I turn this wheel all the way to the left, the front end of my car would swing out to the right and would probably scrape that car beside me. So I'm holding the wheel here at about a quarter of a turn as I reverse, continually scanning. Now that my car has cleared the car beside me, so now that the front of my bumper has cleared past the car beside me, I can now crank the wheel to the left and continue moving back. Because if the front end of my car swings now, I know that I've cleared that car. So what's going to happen is I know that I can make this. Now, you want to stop, obviously, well before you're going to hit any obstacles or anything. You want to stop well in advance. You don't want to get like super close. I actually have a rear view camera on this car and I use it, as I reverse. But if you have driver assistance features like a rear view camera or a sensor system that beeps, those are in addition to looking all around. Those are not your key factors for reversing safely. You are looking all around as you're reversing, and then the camera and or the sensors are going to be in addition. They're going to help you out additionally. Now I'm going to put the car in drive and I'm going to go ahead and turn my wheel the other direction right here, and I'm going to proceed forward just like that. And that's how to reverse out of a parking spot. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to park right here and I'll demonstrate it one more time, but with less explaining and more action. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the car in reverse. Let's say I wanted to reverse by turning my steering wheel to the right now. I put my right signal on, my reverse lights are on, my foot is on the brake, I'm scanning around me, including the mirrors, and it's safe to proceed. So I'm reversing out, turning my steering wheel about a quarter of a turn and holding it there, and continuing to scan constantly and also using the camera. Now that my bumper has cleared that car, I can crank that wheel to the right and continue scanning. Now you'll notice that I'm switching hands on the steering wheel because it's easy for me to look this way if I have my left hand on the wheel. Then it's easy for me to look this way if my right hand is on the wheel. If I only use one hand, I can't get a full range of motion with my back. So that's why I continually switch hands. Come to a complete stop well before I'm going to hit anything. Put the car in drive and proceed once you know that it's safe to do so. And that's basically it. In this video, I have shown you how to reverse out of a parking spot. It has been a very simple driving lesson, and I really hope that you've enjoyed it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.